Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, back with another video, and today I've got a very exciting leak about the PS5. Now, this is gonna be about the PS5's release date and price. So it's gonna be super exciting because I know for a fact that many of us here are super hyped up about the PS5, especially after Sony officially unveiled the hardware last week. I mean, that thing looks dope, right? But there hasn't been any word yet about its release date or price until now, because recently the PS5 was listed very briefly on Amazon France. This was first reported by Forbes. It comes via a guy called Ben Gaskin. He took a screenshot of that listing before it was taken down very quickly and posted it on Twitter. As many of us would know by now, the PS5 comes in two versions. A standard edition, one that comes with a disk drive and an SSD, and a digital-only edition that only comes with an SSD, no disk drive. According to the listing that was ever so briefly up on Amazon France, the PS5 standard edition will cost €499.99, while the digital edition will cost €399.99. This works out to approximately $565 and $450 respectively. Now, considering the fact that Sony had hinted before that the PS5s might cost a lot more than the PS4s because of number one, limited production numbers for launch day, and number two, the PS5 simply cost more to build per unit than the PS4s, $565, assuming that the price listed on Amazon France was accurate, is not such a huge increase over the PS4 than what I had initially imagined. That's only like $50 more expensive than the PS4's launch price, but I want to know what you guys think, because I asked you before which version of the PS5s would you buy, and many of you said that you would go for the standard edition because it's got the disk drive, right? If this price were true, will you now pick the standard edition or the digital edition? Tell me in the comment section below. But if you haven't decided yet, boy do you have a lot of time to decide, because according to the Amazon France listing, it launches in Europe on the 20th of November. Now this is like a week before Thanksgiving, but it is also after Black Friday, so there is this question about whether the PS5s might be launched earlier in the States, perhaps before Black Friday or something. But if you're gonna get the PS5s, now you know how much time you have left to save up. Thankfully, quite a bit of time from me, because I need time to save up. Now, aside from my usual tech review videos covering mostly audio, I will be making more videos covering leaks and rumors about the PS5. So if you don't want to miss out on future videos from this channel, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next one. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.